Building a CSV to JSON converter in Python involves leveraging libraries like pandas and JSON. Start by reading CSV data using pandas, which simplifies data manipulation. Then, convert the data frame to a JSON object using the TOJSON method. This process enhances data interoperability, crucial for modern software development. Converting CSV to JSON is essential in software development. It ensures interoperability and seamless data exchange across platforms. As systems evolve, transforming data between these formats becomes crucial for integration and maintaining efficient workflows. CSV, or comma-separated values, offers a simple tabular structure, ideal for spreadsheets and databases, but is limited to flat, two-dimensional data. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, provides a hierarchical key-value pair structure, supporting nested objects and arrays, making it the preferred format for modern web applications and application programming interfaces due to its easy parsing capabilities. CSV files are crucial for legacy systems, serving as the standard for enterprise databases and reporting. In contrast, JSON dominates modern APIs, facilitating real-time data exchange in web applications. Conversion tools bridge these technologies, ensuring efficient data flow between traditional systems and modern cloud-based applications. This project focuses on key Python concepts: file input/output operations, data structure manipulation, and error handling. It utilizes both built-in and third-party libraries to create a converter. This tool not only serves practical purposes, but also reinforces essential programming principles, providing a comprehensive understanding of Python's capabilities in real-world applications. We'll build a tool to read CSV files, accurately parse headers and data, and generate well-formatted JSON. It will support multiple conversion strategies, handle nested data, and ensure data integrity with robust error handling. We'll use native modules, pandas, and JSON lines, comparing their performance for optimal results. Utilize the CSV module for reading and writing CSV data with custom delimiters. The JSON module facilitates JSON encoding and decoding. Leverage pandas for efficient data manipulation and conversion. JSON lines is optimal for streaming large datasets. Choose integrated development environments like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or Jupyter Notebook for development and debugging. Proper data preparation is essential for successful conversion. Examine the CSV structure, validate data types, and set up test cases. Ensure a clean working environment to identify potential issues, facilitating smooth processing and reliable output. Our dataset features user information in a tabular CSV format, with headers and 4 fields per record: name, age, city, and email. It includes mixed data types and uses a standard comma delimiter. Each row will be converted into a JSON object, creating a structured, queryable format ideal for modern applications.